Welcome to Frogfoot Holler. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton's behind the camera. And today is, well, I have a mail call today. Sort of. See, this one's a little weird for me. Now, see, Momma Frog, Tuesday afternoon, informed me that, well, I was going to be receiving a package. But she wouldn't tell me what was in the package. So technically, Momma Frog sent me a mail call package, because I have no clue what's in the package. Didn't know where it was coming from either. But as you can see, I got a package from Hoss Tools. Yeah. All right, so today's Wednesday. She ordered it Tuesday afternoon, and today is Wednesday, and it got here just, well, a little while ago. Boy, Hoss Tools is fast when they're shipping stuff. Whew. But now, like I said, I don't know what's in the package. I'm almost scared to open it because Momma Frog does have a sense of humor and there ain't no telling what she has bought me. Now, let's get to it. All right. So, gotta open it. I got packing material, y'all. What in the world? One thing I like about Hoss Tools, they send little stickers, and this time I got a little magnet. It says get dirty. I like that. That's just what they always send. Now, what has she got? So, I have seeds. Oh my goodness. Collard seeds, y'all. Moore's heading collard seeds. Now, I mentioned the other day that I was going to start some from seeds. Evidently, she wants me to start, maybe 27 acres worth of collards, because there's 125,000 seeds per pound. This is a quarter pound of seeds, y'all. That's a lot of seeds. Oh my goodness. That's very, very, thank you, Momma Frog. I appreciate that one. Now, what's this one? Oh, now I know why she got the Morris heading collard seeds. Yeah, guys, carrot seeds. Carrots has been one of my nemesis. And I said I was not going to be growing any more carrots. So evidently, Momma Frog, to butter me up, has gotten me collard seeds because Momma Frog wants me to grow carrot seeds. And evidently she wants me to grow, 572 acres worth. There's 330,000 seeds in a pound of carrot seeds. This is a quarter pound. Between these two packages right here, I would have to open up every bit of acreage that we have to be able to plant all these. Either that or we're going to have a lot of seeds for a long time. Well, I guess Momma Frog has spoken and I'll be planting carrots next year. Yee. What is this? What is this? Oop, don't do that. String. Oh, I like that string. Okay, so this is grow twine that Hoss Tools has. It's a synthetic string, and you can use it to do your Florida weave technique on your tomatoes or peppers or anything like that. See, some of y'all might know about my bucket gym that has string, and well, gym is running extremely low. And I had mentioned a while back ago that I was going to need some more string. So evidently Momma Frog listens to me. So she has gotten me not one, not two, not three, but 4 things of string. I ain't going to be running out anytime soon. That is for sure. Now, the one thing I do like about Hoss Tools string is that you got these little loops right here. you can actually put this on your belt loop. So instead of me having to have my nephew carry the bucket down to the end and then carry it down to the other end, I can actually do all this myself. Just put it on my belt loop. So that'll actually help me out quite a bit. My nephew's sitting there shaking his head like he ain't got to carry Jim around no more. Now, this string in this box has as much string as Jim did, that bucket of string. The only difference is this string's a little bit smaller, but that ain't no big deal. Man, that is really nice. All right, guys. So Momma Frog has sent me a mail call, and I very much appreciate it. As you can see, the box is empty. So I'm thinking this and my Morris heading collards right here is to butter me up for the carrots. What y'all think? Yeah, she's buttering me up. So either which way, Momma Frog, I really do appreciate it. This has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.